How to see your referral rewards in Robinhood app. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your Robinhood account, and once you are here in the right down corner area, click on your profile, and here you want to find section referral rewards. So here you should be able to invite friends. Click it and it will open you here your available referral campaign. I got here 5 coins worth 10 euros total for each referral. Sometimes it's up to 30 euros or 30 USD. You can claim up to 30 rewards, and if you want to refer your friends, down here click refer friends and copy that link and send it to your friend. And your friend needs to deposit at least 10 euro and he will get another 10. Also, you will get 10. So that's how you can see referral rewards in Robinhood. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.